Good morning children, welcome back to our English class. Today we will learn punctuation, how to punctuate. As we have traffic signals, what are the traffic signals? Red, green and orange. Like red shows to stop, green to move and orange look and go. Like that we have also to read and write. We have some signs to read and write in English. Now this is called the full stop. See, many of them pronounce as fully stop, but it is not full stop. It is full stop. Full stop. Then capital letter. Capital letter. Full stop. Capital letter. Question mark. And this one, see, one straight line and one dot down. This is called the exclamation mark. So as we have traffic signals, even for English, we have some signs to read. This is the full stop, capital letter, question mark and the exclamation mark. When a full stop comes, you have to stop for a while. Every sentence, there will be a capital letter and a full stop. Now suppose, now see, when a sentence, every sentence starts with the capital letter and ends with a full stop. And remember one more thing, capital letter even for the pronouns. What is a pronoun? Pronoun, any specific name, when we are using any specific name, specific place or the month, the days, we use the capital letter. Now see, now we are telling first sentence, we are starting with the capital letter. This ball belongs to Ram. See, R we have written capital because it is a proper noun. Then we shall end with a full stop. Now again we are talking about him only. Then we have to say he is a good boy. So we are talking about him only. Then after full stop, how we have to read is, this ball belongs to Ram. He is a good boy. So we have to stop here after a full stop for a while. 1 second you count inside 1, then again start reading. He is a good boy. Then coming to the exclamation marks, it shows you, it is used in a sentence where the sentence is telling something exciting or urgent, like see now, wow, that flower is so beautiful. So when we are showing our expression that is telling how it is, then we use exclamation mark. That is one line, one straight line, then we keep a dot down, then it is called the exclamation mark. Okay, once again I will tell you, like traffic signals, we have also some signs to read. We have full stop, capital letter, question mark and the exclamation mark. Every sentence starts with the capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay, now see, this ball belongs to Ram, and all the pronouns you have to start with the capital letter. Maybe it is a name, place or a thing, especially you are talking like now see here Ram, you can say even the place like Mirpet, Hyderabad, Telangana. When you are writing, you have to write in capital letter. And exclamation mark is used when you are showing your excitement. You are telling something or hurry, come soon. When you are using, that is you are showing the urgentness, urgent. So then we use the exclamation mark. So I'll give you some homework based on this. Copy it down and we'll tell about the answers in the next class. And one more thing, this question mark is, we put the question mark, that is this one, we put the question mark when you are asking something. What is your name? Where do you stay? Where do you come from? Which class are you? So these all comes under question mark, where you are asking something. So this is your homework. Now I'll read out. See, where do you stay? This is a blue car. We went to the zoo. What do penguins eat? Hooray! We are going to the movie. In these sentences, you have to keep the capital letter and question mark wherever required. Question mark is used where you are asking something. Okay, where, what, all this. Then you have to use the capital letter, and a sentence shall be start with the capital letter and end with the full stop. And exclamation is used where you show your expressions. Okay, thank you.